One reason that performance is not part of mainstream construction and home improvements yet is that our expectations as homeowners are incredibly
low, abysmally low.
If the contractor calls you back at all, shows up on time, and gets you that bid tonight like they promised to, it's a miracle.
So let's reset our expectations with a restaurant analogy.
Now this is a nice restaurant, the kind of place that you would take your spouse on an anniversary. You sit down, you are brought a plate of food that is late or cold or not what you ordered, or it has a hair in it. You have very clear expectations for what happens next.
You send it back.
And then?
You get what you actually ordered.
Then who comes to your table?
The manager.
And then?
You get a present.
Of some kind. This is very clear. We all know what to expect in a nice place. All we have to do is take expectations like that and make them very clear within the contracts of our home improvement projects and our construction projects. Now, there is a flip side to this. If I'm going to walk in and have very clear expectations for my contractor, then I would also not walk into a restaurant in the same analogy and sit down and look at the menu and say, this steak is $40.
Can I get it for $32?
If you ask for discounts from your contractors, they're gonna try and find a way to be cheap right back with you. And that shoots the whole performance conversation right in the foot. Now, there's another thing about restaurants that's fantastic when we talk about performance.
Is the grade. We're always looking for the grade. Whether it's in a fast food restaurant or a fine dining, you look behind the bar to see that 100 number from public health.
And that number is based on metrics. That is testing the temperature of the frying oils, the temperatures of the freezers and the refrigerators, the ventilation inspections. All this stuff is performance tested on restaurants, and it is published on your Department of Public Health website for anyone to find out. And so if we can do this in restaurants, there is no reason why we can't do this throughout the home improvement and construction industry.